The Khasi Students Union, Laban Circle, on Tuesday sealed a religious structure at Lower Lumparing, Shillong, alleging that it had been unlawfully converted into a mosque by members of the Muslim community and named Lumparing Masjid. Addressing the media, General Secretary of the Ksu Laban Circle, Shining Star Khan, stated that the organization initiated the action following a detailed verification of land ownership. He claimed that the land does not legally belong to any individual and alleged that the structure was developed into a mosque without obtaining the necessary permissions from the Darbar Shnong or relevant authorities. He further explained that the site was originally designated for the construction of a residence for a chokidar tasked with overseeing a nearby Muslim graveyard. However, it was later allegedly converted into a place of worship without authorization. The KSU also removed the imam from the premises, alleging that he had been residing there and conducting religious teachings without legal sanction. Meanwhile, the Darbar Shnong of Lower Lumparing, upon receiving a complaint from the KSU, conducted an inspection and had resolved to dismantle the structure. However, according to the organization, no subsequent action was taken by the concerned individuals. The Ksu Laban Circle has indicated that it will soon file a formal complaint with the appropriate authorities seeking the eviction of the structure and necessary legal action in the matter.
Em betul lah, bakal lagi lah kalau orang lain sunting di ông bà don ini di orang orang tu lagi, orang orang pendam nak.
Dia jangan maksud boleh dia lek umum dia ada kayu ni.
Hang dia tanggi kot pak. Betul pak. Ni banyak nengi dia bang.
Em tak kan. Yang pi senang ka ada thok umno ban.
Em kilapan lagi.
For no religious purpose.
Kila. Tanggi dia only for religious purpose.
No religious purpose is allowed.
Em tak apa human ni kilapan kuliah nama sih ban juruai ban kuliah kot. Tangtai. Ada untuk purpose.
Ini
Oh, kini kita akan kan fix sekolah macam ni. Di sendiri kalau di juruai ini kita akan.
Haba senang naruh dewan ka ai ding thok tang tokin trong man fa ukiat peker hang.
Oh.
Dei nam dei. Am ai man senang man kuliah kot ma lan ni ban ini ban de for religious purpose kam ai.
Yang perlu itu apa? Ayu lah. Dapat itu. Bahkan yang begini apa human ni don juruai ni kita boleh ikut buat.
क्या है आप? इमाम कहाँ से? गौरव से। कब से आया? 6 महीना।
Nakaliang jong Khasi Students Union Laban Circle mentasni ngilayo banwan sini Lower Lumparing kaba ngilayo kajing ujor kaba ki lapendan kam ya kan ikajaka ani hapo Lower Lumparing ban longkum kata ka Lumparing Masjid jinsya kan ikajaka ka menchua ka borsnong kila ai yakini IT kini gibriu tang ban longkum takajang ban takajaka yakini ban chong tau kerteka ban pet ya kate ko lum dingtap antai dari hakini kisni nam ki balayat ni ba kila penlong yang ani kacaka kum kata liam bat na nakaliang jong asnong kila simti bat kila wan ban inspect bat kila lap yang kata bat kila wan pha ban pendam no man kani ka jingtho ka patho Lumparing Masjid bat hadian jong kata nakaliang jong seng ru mentakasni layo ban wan ban sakhi hi dala jong hikmat ti habangi kani kacaka kalong ba kila penlong ya kani kacaka kum kata liam bat ka sanitation room ba katiki dan kitiki jaka ante ki perlat be sati sakani ka dala ka pensi serum te ling ba jong ta ti milayo ban kran bat wastan sekretari jong kani ka jaka ka ba ki de ben pet te bat nilalap tu ba udan imam ubasa kani ka jaka te kat kum ka NOC ka ba kipan na kasnong banta jong ta imam ba ki pha ko banai February dai habang nilayo ban kali uni imam batay ngi ba ulasa lupa menta la andru banai kani ka jaka te kita ki jong ki ba pen khen ki adong jong kasnong bat ki jong ka jing songsuk songsan ya kasnong thau ba no breu bana bar klem biang ki kwat kisla klem da don kita ki NOC klem da don kita ki police verification kin chuban sa kani ka jaka tena kaliang jong kaseng ila sim sinjam bangin be noiu ban kaliang jong kaseng ru ila maham kini ba kani kamdi ke jaka ban mani namar haduk menta kimla ban ai ngi kita kikot kisla ki babet ki babiang ki ban pen shisha kata ba kila don ki jigitho nak snong ka thau man penlong e kani kum kani ka jaka mani te nakaliang jongka sengru in se shong biang ba snong bat in ai lat hi snong kan shim ik sinjam ka bade halwa jang kani